Welcome to Herbal Home Remedies. Please like, share, and subscribe.
For more than 20 years, health experts have been thinking about the power of two of the oldest cooking ingredients. It turns out that not only do cinnamon and honey taste great together, mixing the two of them together is also a medicinal wonder. Cinnamon has been used by Chinese and Ayurvedic folk medicine for over 2,000 years, and honey also has a rich history. Cinnamon, or cassia, has been shown to be very helpful in treating digestive disorders, menstrual pain, and joint pain because it has a lot of cinnamaldehyde, the molecular compound that brings down swelling and gives cinnamon its taste and smell. Honey is also known for bringing down swelling and is full of nutrients like amino acids, vitamin C and B6, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, and zinc. The reason these two foods are so great for the body is mainly because they can control swelling, fight free radicals, and boost the immune system. Here are the top uses for honey and cinnamon. 1. Arthritis. In the ancient world, Ayurvedic doctors used a paste made from honey and cinnamon to treat arthritis. Today we understand that this works because of cinnamaldehyde in cinnamon and ingredients like potassium in honey, which come together to treat the swelling and things the body's missing that cause arthritis. Mix 2 tablespoons of raw honey with 1 tablespoon of powdered cinnamon. Put this on the hurt area and rub it into your skin. You can also mix honey and cinnamon into a cup of warm water and drink it all the time to treat arthritis. 2. Allergies. A honey and cinnamon mixture can help those with allergies that are not life-threatening. Both honey and cinnamon boost the immune system and guard it from bacteria and viruses. Honey and cinnamon also soothe pain from swelling and congestion that can come from certain allergies. For this help, you should drink a mixture of honey, cinnamon, and warm water all the time. 3. Cardiovascular disease. Some nursing homes in North America have tested using cinnamon and honey to help block heart disease. They agree that the mixture helps the flexibility and strength of the arteries. Eating cinnamon and honey all the time, when put together with a healthy diet and normal activity level, can stop heart disease by clearing blocked arteries. 4. Diabetes. Studies have shown that both cinnamon and honey lower blood sugar levels. Honey also lowers the level of bad LDL cholesterol and raises good HDL cholesterol. This is great because diabetics are usually at a higher risk of cholesterol problems. 5. The common cold. In one study, they found that cinnamon lessens the growth of different bacteria that cause the common cold. When you mix this with honey, which boosts the immune system, it is great for stopping colds. So when cinnamon is mixed with raw honey, many people never get sick at all. Or if they get sick with the common cold, they get better very quickly. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.